Now that the man out and
Yeah.
a boss in him glory.
Make him man boss in and glory.
But dog, people out there, dog, when man left, I go continuously mourn for them loved ones, dog. Whenever I go come back.
Let me ask you the question. Let me ask you this question. What if it was the other way around? Would you sit here and debate, say, these men take Kartel life and Kartel family and mourn?
Of course. Me not agree with nobody if you take no life.
No, I'm going to show you something.
Unless a self-defense where you have to do it.
Let me show you something.
You understand what I'm saying?
Listen to this now. You know why you're not going to sit down yourself and talk about the next man them. Those men are insignificant to the world. These men where you are trying to defend. And I say, Ray. These men are bad man in a dog, but nobody don't know them. But you see, through Kartel have power and Kartel have influence. You ever come now and say, him should have this and him should have that. You know how much man, me see pastor rape woman. Pastor.
But hold on, you said something a while ago. You said the man them life insignificant.
Because, you know why me say them insignificant?
Well, I know, you said, no, I know why you explain.
All right.
You already said. You said the man them life insignificant to the world. Zane?
Yes.
I don't know if I said this earlier, but imagine the same thing come at your doorstep.
I understand that.
Right. Would you say that your brother life is insignificant to the world?
I may say something.
Don't me ask you. You have to answer it, you know.
So I'm not going to answer you, but let me say something. You see, if I know that my brother was a bad boy, and my brother get killed because I'm badness to him, I do, me not going to sit down and defend him. I will not.
So you would say that his life is insignificant?
No, but if him
you
think...
not answer, bro.
Listen up, if him think his life insignificant, why shouldn't I think it's...
No, him not think so.
No, he thinks so.
You just say the man...
So. Yeah,
no, if you just think so the man them life insignificant because them in a badness.
All right, probably use the wrong word. Probably use the wrong word.
Because guess what me answer?
All right. You're right.
Yeah, well I know. The thing what me answer to that.
Yeah.
Zin, even if you say the man them life insignificant to the world, what about the man mother? What about the man brother? What about the man? You never hear no one of the voice note where man and say, yo, everybody up at the yard are dead.
I remember say something.
You not answer the question.
Yes, me hear that.
Everybody up at the yard are dead.
I remember say something.
You never hear that.
Me hear that.
Make your cool. When the man said that, now if you are going to take out the man we're involved in your badness, take out the man we're involved in your badness, not the innocent family members them who will have nothing to do with what going on the street, under the what going underworld where them now know about. Why is it that you feel like you have the right to go and take out the innocent them life because that man f*** you over?